You're going to be working on TDS3000. It's pretty easy. Just first thing is make sure the battery is out. There is no battery in here. There is no battery. Then you take this module, which is a GBIB, and then the communication module out. Just pressing this tab right here. It's too flat. Head screws. How you take it out. You remove this module aside. You need a T15. You need a T15 to open up this. To open it up, you have to release the tab in here. You get the other tab off too. And then once you release the tab, you need to get these off right here by removing this and then removing this. And you need a plier to just take this off. To just release it from here. Same thing on the other side. Take this off to release it. And that's gonna make it easy. Easy to take it off. Similar to here. Easy to take it off. Now you remove the handle. Next step, if there's one screw in here, you take it off. And then you're able to push up this. Now you took the front cover off. You're able to see what's inside the 3Ks family. Then to keep this assembling, you have to take this off. And next step is how to take this off. It's pretty easy. Take this off very easy. You just remove the screw in here, and the screw in here, and the screw in here. You take this cable off. There's one more screw in here. You remove that screw. Now you have a couple of cables you need to release. This cable. And this cable. Now you took the first part off. Right here, and this is the fan. This is the main board right here, and this is the floppy drive or the USB drive, or I'm sorry, this is a floppy drive. And this is how it looks like. Continue taking it off. This is the main board we've taken off. Before you do that, let's release this. this is how you take the floppy drive out. And this is a communication cable for the floppy drive. Now you release the front LCD out, and there's a few screws in here. There's a ground pin. A few tabs in here. You take off. There's one for the LCD. Take off, and this is the main board, guys. Some dust in here, and this is the main board. There's the analog board too, and that's how it looks like inside. This is where the LCD is, and that's how you take this apart. If you want to replace the LCD, you take this off, pretty easy, and then it says how you replace the LCD. Put it back together, pretty easy too. There's just a few screws in here, one screw, two screw, and this is, you should be able to remove this one. Let's try. Yeah, you need a lower belt. This is, here is a T15. To get to this, I need a T. Let's see what it is. We'll be right back, guys. So to take this completely out, you need the T8 to remove it from here, and the other one in here. And should be enough to release it. This is how you release it. This is how it's going here, so you don't lose it. And this is the LCD. If you need to change it, the LCD is right here. It's pretty easy. It's just snug in. You take this riser board out, and then you put the new LCD in there. And this is a front panel board. If any of the knobs is not working, this is how you change the front panel. And this is elastic one. Thank you guys for watching. This is easy to take it apart. This is how you take all the TDS3 series out. TDS3K, 3B, 3KC. That's how you take them out, and then you put them back the way it was. The very important part is you have to know what the screws are, and then you have to just get some organizers to organize the screws together to know which one goes to which. Thank you for watching. If you really like to see more of that or different models, just subscribe and hit the subscription and the like button, and then I will get more models. Thank you.